Chapter 9 Automation Tools. Automation tools in Salesforce actually, according to its name, these process helps to automate the processes in Salesforce. They help to improve the efficiency of the functionalities or the processes which are present in the Salesforce. There are different types of the automation tools like workflows, process builders, flows, and epics. Workflows and process builder, these two automation tools will not be a part of Salesforce after winter 2023 release. So we will not discuss these two. These two will not be there because the functionality or the features which were provided by these two are now we can do those things in Flow itself. So Flow will be continued in Salesforce and Workflow and Process Builder will not be continued in the Salesforce. Let's discuss the Flow in the Salesforce. So Flow is a automation tool as we already discussed. So it is used to perform multiple activities like posting to chatter, sending an email, updating the records, and creating the records, calling any epics action. So these kind of customization or any kind of automation processes if you want to do, these all will be done by flows. There are different types of flows also, like screen flow, record trigger flow, schedule trigger flow, platform event flow, and auto launch flow. So, auto launch flow and record trigger flow, these two are quite similar, but record trigger flow are especially for these are related to the records, like whenever any record is getting inserted, any record is getting updated with particular value, so for that we use the record trigger flows. Auto launch flows are also they are means record trigger flows are also auto launch flows. Auto launch, but the separate auto launch flows are they can be launched or invoked using or by any Apex or process builder or even the REST API. Then there comes the screen flow. Screen flow means if we want to provide any screens or any uh, like form kind of data or to show some data to the users or to give uh, some things to which will be filled in by the users. So in that way, in that case we can use the screen flows. So basically if I have a mini project or if I have a mini functionality where I want to show all accounts which are present in my Salesforce, so on my first screen I can show all of the accounts or some accounts particularly which are present in my Salesforce org. So let's suppose showing them some five accounts to one particular customer, and then the according to its like user will select any particular account. Then on second screen, if I want user to create a new contact record in that flow screen itself, so I can give some input fields to the user, and by filling them on clicking on next or submit, the contact record will be created. So this kind of automation processes where input field, output fields, or some textual data, if those should be visible to the user, and even if we want to customize it, flow screens using any lightning components or any other things, then that also will be possible in flow. Flow can do multiple things, like you can call an apex action using flow, then you can add lightning component, customize component in the flow. Then you can call a separate flow from a flow, that is called a subflow also. Then you can call a flow from a lightning component also, that is a different part which we will cover in upcoming lectures. So these are different functionalities or use cases which are generally covered by flows. We'll cover one by one in next lectures, like how practically we can do it. Just have a look how exactly we can create a flow. Simply, we can go to the setup and type flows. Then when you click on new flow, So as you can see, multiple types are shown to me, like screen flow, record trigger flow, schedule trigger flow, platform event trigger flow, auto launch flow, and the record trigger orchestration. So screen flow, record trigger flow, as we already discussed. Schedule record trigger flow, like if you want to schedule any flow at a particular time, like if I wanted to run daily at particular time, or after 24 hours, 48 hours or something like that, then that I can schedule on particular day or something. So that is possible. Platform event trigger flow. Platform event is again a different topic, but just to uh, explain here easily, we can say that whenever any trans platform event message is received in the Salesforce, so at that time we can use a platform event trigger flow. Auto launch flow I've already discussed, and record trigger orchestration is again a different topic, which we need to cover as a separate topic if we want to discuss. So these are all flows, and by clicking on any particular flow, you can click here, and you can create multiple flows. As you can see, it is asking for, like, the record flow trigger flow should trigger for what object. So it is asking object, like it is asking like on record is created, updated, or created or updated or deleted, and what exactly action the this flow should trigger, that it is asking. And then it will ask like what entry conditions are there. Then after that we can add like what exactly action we need to perform if such record is getting inserted or updated. If you want to update any other record, if you want to send any email, if you want to post to chatter, or if you want to call any apex action, so any kind of such functionality or features will be done by flow. And we will see some examples or use cases in further lectures.